Is white rice healthy? What does research say about it? Are you concerned about the purported negative effects of white rice? Well, what if we told that white rice benefits you in multiple ways? Yes, you read it right. Over 2/3 of people globally are estimated to consume white rice regularly. Japanese, the longest living people in the world, consume white rice as a major part of their diet. While white rice has received some flack, it also may benefit your health. White rice is nothing but milled rice with its husk, bran, and germ removed. This process alters the flavor and appearance of the rice, thereby extending its shelf life. After milling, the rice is usually polished, giving you the shiny and bright white rice that you see in the market. The milling process cleans the rice and removes the husks off the grains, giving us brown rice. This rice is then further polished to enhance appearance and make it more edible by removing the bran and germ as well. This polishing removes the essential nutrients vital for health. Without the bran and the germ, the grain loses 25% of its protein and 17 other key nutrients. The processors sure add the lost nutrients back to the refined grains. But you will be consuming processed and refined rice. Studies show that individuals who consume white rice at least 5 times a week were 20% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. One major reason people prefer white rice is that it tastes good. White rice is also quicker to cook compared to other rice varieties, including brown rice. White rice can be easy on your stomach. This is probably the only way it can be good for anyone, especially in certain cases. White rice is an important component of the brat diet, which consists of bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. This diet is recommended following a stomach illness or diarrhea.